Before, after. Alrighty, here we are back at Barrel Brothers. Today we're doing these guys. Well, we're starting on these guys anyway. They're a work equip 5. They're also called a spinning 5 because these are the 3-piece ones with a spun lip and barrel, sandwich type, so centre in the centre, lip welded on the front and barrel welded on the back. So these are going on to a Toyota MS123 Crown, which is going to look pretty epic, really. They're 14s. They're a bit of an odd size, actually. They're a 14 by 6.50 offset. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 3.5-inch lips on the front and 4-inch lips on the rear, which will turn them into, with a quick bit of mathematics, 8s and 9s. They look pretty epic. They look like they really suit the car. The car's wide and low, and it's got a stupid motor in it too. So we've also figured out that our replacement caps fit quite well. I don't know, what do you reckon? Should look good. Diamond cut faces, redone paint. Seats don't look too bad. Redo all the bolts. We'll polish up these alloy seats. Should look pretty epic. Or maybe we'll go with a shiny one. I don't know. What do you think? Let the customer decide. From here, straight into surgery, I think.
Two hours later.
Okay, so we need more stock. We need a new balancer and time machine. We need another straightener
and we need more stock. We've got to build more wheels.
Where are we getting the money for that?
Just you let me worry about that.
So the work equipped spinning 5s are back from being diamond cut. Have a squeeze, what do you reckon? Bloody beautiful, eh? Let's get them out of the van, get the masking off and pretty them up, finish them up, let's do it. G'day.
Hi Kev.
How you doing, mate? What are you doing? Doing nothing?
Yeah, taking your role.
We swapped roles for a day. Appears that way. Alright, so I'm going to put these equipped spinning 5s together, and the little washer knobbies don't look too flash. So I'm going to take them out the back and blast them and pretty them up again, so let's do it.
Okay, we're here with Mitch. He's the owner of this MS123 Crown that we've been building the works for. Can you tell us a bit about the car, mate?
Yeah, so she's a 1984 Toyota Crown Royal Saloon. It has a 7M GTE, 6-cylinder, 3-litre turbo, big block, welded diff, manual conversion, and all the 1980s velour and...
The velour is just fantastic. And the
curtains.
This is wild. And it's a bit lower than standard, I see.
It's sitting on some American coilovers, and it's probably about that far off the ground. Chassis rails, anyway.
All right, so how about we get stuck in and put these wheels on?
100%.
Sweet.
The creasing as you're pumping.
Yeah, baby. So what do you reckon, buddy?
It looks absolutely remarkable.
Isn't that wild?
It looks sick.
Just changes the car, the
does.
look of the car so much. So it's got it like a bow tie and, you know, tucks on.
Yeah. It's very reformed.
It's very classy. It's very classy.
Love
I
it.
don't think you can drive it like a lunatic anymore. It's too classy.
No, no. And the chrome might bring some attention.
But yeah, no, it looks so chunky on the car.
Yeah.
Nice big sort of long car. It sort of makes it look shorter somehow.
Yeah.
Shorter and chunkier.
I think the work equips were the right choice.
Yes. Yeah. And they just suit it down to the ground. Fantastic, man.
Love your work.